Imagine if you could change your life in just 48 hours. What if I told you there's a way to manifest your deepest desires, be it financial freedom, a dream relationship, or perfect health within just 2 days? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're diving deep into the art of manifestation. We'll answer crucial questions like, how do you visualize your goals effectively? What kind of affirmations should you use? And why is gratitude so important in this process? But that's not all. We'll also explore the scientific basis of manifestation, tackle common pitfalls, and provide real-life examples of success stories, all to help you manifest anything you want in just 48 hours. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly can you manifest anything within just 48 hours? The answer lies in a combination of belief, visualization, and action. Let's start with belief. Belief is the cornerstone of manifestation. Without a deep-seated belief in your goal, the rest of the process falls apart. But how do you cultivate this belief, especially if you're starting with doubts? Visualization plays a key role here. When you can vividly picture your goal as already achieved, your subconscious mind starts to align with this reality. But there's a specific way to visualize that makes it incredibly powerful. More on that soon. Affirmations also come into play. These are not just feel-good phrases, but powerful tools to reprogram your subconscious mind. What kind of affirmations work best? We'll delve into that later. And then, there's the often overlooked element of gratitude. Why is it so crucial, and how does it amplify your manifestation efforts? The answer might surprise you. Lastly, we need to talk about action. Not just any action, but inspired action. How do you recognize it and ensure you're taking the right steps? All these elements work together in harmony, and over the next few minutes, we'll break down each one in detail to help you manifest your dreams in just 48 hours. Stay with us, because the journey is just beginning. Belief is where our journey begins. You might wonder, how can something as intangible as belief hold such power? Think of belief as the engine driving your manifestation process. It's not enough to merely wish for something. You need to truly believe it's possible. But building this belief can be challenging, especially when past experiences or societal conditioning have ingrained doubts in your mind. This is where visualization comes into play, acting as a bridge between belief and reality. When you close your eyes and vividly imagine your desired outcome, your brain begins to perceive it as real. But this isn't just daydreaming. There's a technique to it that amplifies its effectiveness. Imagine feeling the emotions associated with your goal, seeing every detail clearly, and experiencing it with all your senses. We'll explore the exact steps to master this technique soon. Next, let's talk about affirmations. These aren't just positive statements you repeat aimlessly. The right affirmations, spoken with conviction and emotion, can reshape your subconscious mind. Why is this important? Because your subconscious mind governs your habits, decisions, and perceptions. By feeding it powerful affirmations, you're essentially reprogramming it to align with your goals. But what makes an affirmation truly effective? Is it the words, the repetition, or the emotion behind them? We'll get to the bottom of this mystery later on. Gratitude, often touted as a simple act of thankfulness, holds profound power in the manifestation process. When you practice gratitude, you elevate your vibrational frequency, aligning yourself with the energy of abundance. This isn't just about feeling good, it's about creating a state of being that attracts more of what you appreciate. But how do you integrate gratitude into your daily routine in a way that boosts your manifestation efforts? The answer lies in specific, actionable practices that we'll cover shortly. Then there's the concept of inspired action. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about recognizing and acting on opportunities that align with your desires. But how do you distinguish between ordinary actions and those that are truly inspired? This requires tuning into your intuition and being open to guidance from the universe. It's about being proactive yet patient, diligent yet flexible. We'll discuss how to identify and take inspired actions that propel you toward your goals. Throughout this journey, it's crucial to maintain a balance between focus and detachment. While it's important to keep your goal in sight, it's equally vital to let go of attachment to the outcome. This might sound contradictory, but it's a fundamental principle of manifestation. Trusting the process means believing that your desire will manifest at the right time and in the right way, even if it doesn't happen exactly as you envisioned. We'll explore techniques to cultivate this balance and enhance your manifestation practice. Stay with us, because we're about to unravel the deeper layers of these concepts, providing you with practical steps and insights to turn your dreams into reality. The journey to manifest anything in 48 hours is just beginning, and the most exciting revelations are yet to come. Now that we've laid the foundation with belief and visualization, let's delve deeper into the art of affirmations. Think of affirmations as the verbal expression of your deepest desires. When crafted and repeated correctly, They can transform your subconscious mind, turning doubt into confidence. But here's the catch. Not all affirmations are created equal. An effective affirmation is specific, positive, and framed in the present tense. For instance, saying, "I am financially abundant," holds more power than "I will be financially abundant." But what if you don't fully believe your affirmation yet? There's a technique to bridge that gap, ensuring your affirmations resonate deeply. We'll explore this nuanced approach shortly. Moving on, let's discuss gratitude in greater detail. Gratitude might seem straightforward, but its role in manifestation is profound. When you practice gratitude, you're not just acknowledging what you have, you're actively aligning yourself with the energy of abundance. This shift in perspective opens the door for more positive experiences to flow into your life. But how do you maintain a genuine sense of gratitude, especially during challenging times? The key lies in consistency and mindfulness, and we have some powerful gratitude practices to share that can amplify your manifestation efforts exponentially. Inspired action is another cornerstone of manifestation. It's the bridge between your desires and reality. But what sets inspired action apart from regular effort? Inspired action feels right. It's almost as if the universe is nudging you in a particular direction. It often comes with a sense of excitement or clarity. But how do you stay attuned to these signals? There are ways to cultivate this awareness, enabling you to recognize and act on these divine nudges. We'll delve into practical steps and real-life examples to help you master this crucial aspect of manifestation. As we move forward, it's essential to address the balance between focus and detachment. You might wonder, how can you be deeply focused on your goal, yet detached from the outcome? This paradox is at the heart of successful manifestation. By focusing on your desire, you set your intention and align your energy. By detaching from the outcome, you release any fear or desperation, allowing the universe to work its magic. But maintaining this balance can be tricky. There are specific techniques to help you cultivate this mindset, ensuring you stay aligned with your goals without becoming overly attached. One of the most powerful aspects of manifestation is its ability to transform your entire outlook on life. It's not just about achieving a single goal, but about shifting your entire vibrational state. When you embrace these principles, you start to see opportunities and possibilities everywhere. Your confidence grows, and you begin to attract more positive experiences into your life. But how do you sustain this new state of being? The answer lies in daily practices and habits that reinforce your new mindset. We'll share actionable tips and strategies to help you maintain your high vibrational state long-term. Let's dive deeper into how you can effectively visualize your goals. Visualization isn't just about seeing your desired outcome, it's about feeling it with every fiber of your being. Imagine the texture of the leather in your dream car, the scent of the ocean at your ideal vacation spot, or the warmth of your dream home. The more detailed and sensory-rich your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. But what if you struggle to visualize? There's a technique called mental rehearsal that athletes and performers use to enhance their visualization skills, and we'll cover that soon. Now, about those affirmations. You might wonder why simply repeating words can have such a profound effect. The secret lies in their ability to bypass your critical mind and speak directly to your subconscious. But for affirmations to truly work, they need to be paired with emotion. It's not enough to say, "I am successful." You need to feel the joy and pride of that success, as if it's already happened. There's a way to supercharge your affirmations with emotional energy, making them even more effective. We'll explore this powerful technique in a bit. Gratitude is another crucial component. You might ask, how can feeling thankful for what I already have to help me get what I want? The answer lies in the law of attraction. Like attracts like. When you feel grateful, you emit a positive frequency that attracts more of what you're thankful for. But it's not just about being thankful. It's about cultivating a state of gratitude that permeates your entire being. There are specific exercises that can help you deepen your gratitude practice, making your manifestations even more potent. Inspired action is where theory meets practice. It's not just about sitting back and visualizing, it's about taking tangible steps toward your goal. But how do you know which actions are inspired? These actions often come with a sense of ease and flow, almost like a gentle nudge from the universe. They might seem small or even unrelated at first, but they lead you closer to your goal. Learning to recognize and act on these prompts is a skill that can be developed, and we'll show you how to hone it. Balancing focus and detachment might sound like walking a tightrope. You need to stay focused on your goal to keep your energy aligned, but you also need to detach from the outcome to avoid desperation and doubt. This balance allows the universe to work in ways you might not expect, often bringing results in the most surprising and delightful forms. There are mindfulness techniques that can help you master this balance, allowing you to manifest your desires more effectively. As you continue on this journey, you'll start to see shifts, not just in your external reality, but within yourself. You'll become more confident, more aligned, and more attuned to the possibilities around you. Manifestation is as much about personal transformation as it is about achieving specific goals. It's about stepping into your power as a creator of your reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the art of manifestation. Remember, the power to change your life is within you, waiting to be unlocked. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and tips. And most importantly, start applying these principles today. Your dream life is closer than you think. See you in the next video.